Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2021 Ford Torneo Connect. Any screen. First of all, put phone on Bluetooth, and then we're going to be watching out. I've got rather a lot of Bluetooth devices, but we're going to be watching out at the bottom. You then go to the two cogs here on the top right hand side, click on that, radio Bluetooth, turn down to Bluetooth, click OK, add Bluetooth device, click OK, and then search for Ford Transit Connect on your device to start pairing or discover other BT devices. Well, it's already come up here, Ford Transit Connect, so I can click on there. Pairing Barry's iPhone does pin 724751 match. Well, it does, so there, and then I click yes, and that's it, paired successfully. Allow contacts and favorites to sync, allow, and there we go, it's all connected.